8 Facebook privacy settings you should change now. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Number 1. Disable off Facebook tracking. Facebook having data on what you do on its platform is no surprise. After all, that's how the company makes money, by showing you targeted ads. But what you might not know is that Facebook also collects data on your activity away from its site. Checking your off-Facebook activity allows you to see the data that Facebook has collected on you, including the websites and apps you've used, as well as what information they've shared with Facebook. If you're not comfortable with Facebook having this data, it does allow you to disable it. To do this, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Off Facebook Activity, which is under Permissions, then disconnect future activity. To clear your off Facebook activity history, select Clear History on the Off Facebook Activity page. You can also adjust your ad preferences to stop seeing specific ads on Facebook. Number 2. Limit who can see your posts. When you make a post on Facebook, you have the option of who can see it. Your options are Public, Friends, Only Me, or a custom setting. By default, Facebook sets this to Friends, but if you want to be more restrictive with your posts, you can change it to your preferred custom setting. To do this, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Posts, then Who can see your future posts. As well as who can see your future posts, you can also change the privacy settings of your past posts. This is useful if you want to make your account more private, but don't want to delete all of your old posts. To do this, tap on Limit who can see past posts instead. Number 3. Limit access to your profile information. Your profile on Facebook includes a lot of information about you, including your contact information, interests, and work history. You can choose how much of this information is available to the various audience groups on Facebook. For example, you can limit your contact information so that it's only visible to your friends, while your interests can be set to public. To change who can see your profile information, click on Edit Details on your profile page and select the audience for each piece of information. Number 4. Turn off continuous contacts upload. Back when Facebook was new, sharing your contact list with the site was a popular way to find friends who were already on the platform. But now, chances are you don't want Facebook having this information. Even if you didn't mind, some of your contacts might appreciate not having their information shared without their knowledge. Thankfully, Facebook allows you to turn this setting off. To do this, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Upload Contacts under the Permission section. Then tap the Continuous Contacts Upload toggle. Number 5. Control who can look you up using your contact details. Facebook is, or used to be, the place for reconnecting with long-lost friends and acquaintances. You could find people by scanning your contacts, searching their names, or even their email addresses. This was a useful feature back then, but now, considering data privacy concerns, you might want to limit who can find you using your contact information. If you'd rather people not be able to look you up using your contact information, you can change this setting. To do this, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then How people find and contact you under the Audience and Visibility section. Number 6. Hide your profile from search engines. By default, your profile on Facebook is set to be indexed by search engines like Google. This means that if someone searches for your name, your profile is likely to come up in the results. If you'd rather not have your profile show up in search results, you can change this setting. Keep in mind that this won't prevent people who are already your Facebook friends from finding your profile, but it will make it more difficult for strangers to find you. To change this setting, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then How people find and contact you. Select do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile, and then tap the toggle button to turn it off. Number 7. Control who can tag you in posts. Tagging is a way of identifying people in posts and photos on Facebook. When you're tagged in something, it's shared with your friends by default. But you can change this setting so that you have to approve any tags before they're published. To do this, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Profile and Tagging. On this page, you can also control who can post on your timeline, who can see what others post on your timeline, and so forth. Number 8. Turn off Facebook's in-app browser. By default, when you click on a link in a post or message on Facebook, it opens in the Facebook app. But this isn't necessarily the most secure way to browse the web, especially if you're concerned about giving Facebook too much data. If you'd rather have links open in your phone's default web browser, you can change this setting. To do this, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Media. Scroll and check the Links Open Externally box.